Good evening. So now we will see Unit 2 again M3 Euler's method. And we have question that is solve the equation. So we have solve the equation. Now this Euler's method is used to solve a differential equation. So solve the equation dy by dx equal to 1 plus xy. Given conditions, we have y of 0 is equal to 1, and we have to find we have to find y of 0.5 and value of h is 0.1 and use Euler's method. Use Euler's method or Euler's method, whatever you are saying it. So we have to go for this method. Now this method and modified method we have near about same. So we have solution. Now in this method we have to find value of y, and that is by using y is equal to y n, we can say. So we have yn minus 1 plus h in bracket or h f of in bracket y n minus 1, f of x n minus 1 comma y of n minus 1. So only this formula we have to use, and by using this formula we are in position to find values of y for the given values of x. So now we will start it. We have given x naught that is equal to 0 and we have y naught equal to 1. So you can see from here y of 0 means this is y0 1, that means that x equal to 0. So we have x not equal to 0, y not equal to 1, and we have equation f of xy. We have that equation equal to 1 plus xy. Now we have to first find value of f of x naught y naught, and that is equal to 1 plus value of x. So now we have this as x naught y naught. So value of x naught is 0 and value of y naught is 1. And from this we will get this value is 1. Now if I have to find y1, so equal to yn minus 1 means y naught plus h f of n minus 1 means 1 minus 1 0. So f of x0 y0. And then we can put this value y naught we have 1 plus h value we have 0.1 into f of x naught y naught we have 1, and from this we will get y1 that is equal to 1.1. Now knowing y1 1.1, we can find f of x1 comma y1. So we will find it. So we are equal to 1 plus x1 y1. So we have 1 plus x1 we have 0.1 because we have value of x1 0.1, x2 0.2, x3 0.3, x4 0.4, and we have to find x5, y5 at x5 0.5, and 1 plus 0.1 x1 and y1 we have 1.1, And from this, we will get this value, that is f of x1 y1 1.11. So we have this value equal to 1.11. Now knowing this value, we can find y2. So I will go to y2. Y2 is equal to now y1 plus h into f of x1 y1. Now y1 value we have, just we have calculated 1.1. So we have 1.1 plus h value is 0.1 and f of x1 we have 0.11. And from this we will get this value, that is y2 equal to 1.211. So this is value of y2. Then we can find f of x2 comma y2, and we have equal to 1 plus x2 y2. Now we know value of x2 we have 0.2 and value of y2 we have 1.211. And from this we will get f of x2 y2 1.242. So you have to calculate. I have already calculated this value, 1.242. And then we can have y3 equal to y2 plus h into f of x2 y2. Now we have y2 value, that is equal to 1.211 plus h we have 0.1 into f of x2 y2 we have 1.242, and from this we will get value of y3, that is equal to 1.335. So we have 1.335. So I have taken 3 digits, so you can go to 4 also. Then we have f of x3 y3. F of x3 y3, that is equal to 1 plus x3 y3. So we have value of 1 plus x3 we have 0.4 and y3 we have calculated 1.335. And from this we will get value 1.4005. So now y4 we can find. So y4 that is equal to y3 plus h into f of x3 comma y3. Now y3 we have 1.335, h we have 0.1, f of x3 1.4005. And if you will calculate this value, we have 1.4751. And knowing this value, we can find f of x4 y4, and we have this is equal to 1 plus x4 y4, and we have this value equal to 1 plus x4 we have 0.2.4, and then we have 0.6. 0.6 into y4 we have y, so we have is any mistake we have committed over there, so we have 1 plus 0.4. So values of x1 we have 0.1, then 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Yes, correct. So we have this will be not 0.6. So we have x4 0.4. So this is 1 plus x3, actually we have 0.3. So values are correct. X2 we have 0.2, x1 we have 0.1. Just check it. X1 we have 0.1, x2 we have 0.2, x3 0.3, x4 now 0.4 into 1.4751, and we have this value equal to 1.5900. And knowing this value, we can find y5. So we have y5 equal to y4 plus y5 equal to y4 plus h into f of x4 comma y4. And then we have value of y4 1.4751 plus value of h is 0.1 and f of x4 y4 we have 1.5900. And from this we will get value of y5 1.6341. So we have y5 1.6341. So likewise we have to find the value of y by using Euler's method. I will just calculate this value. So we have 1.4751 plus 0.1 into 1.59 and 1.6341. Correct. So we have this value. So by using Euler's method, we can find this. So now we will stop here only. So next problem we will see in the next video. So thank you.